Hello everybody, welcome to my instructional design on how to make pivot tables. For introduction, hello everyone, welcome to my instructional video on how to make pivot tables. This video is mostly for high school students and college students who need help learning how to make pivot tables. What to do first? The first thing you would need to do is start up your computer and open Excel. There are many students who have problems with pivot tables. This instructional guide is for high school students and college students who are having problems with pivot tables. A lot of students start using Excel when they are in high school and continue to use it in college, so the population is high and the grade level is broad. Finding your data. After you start up Excel, be sure to pick the Excel file that has the data you need. As you can see in the chart right here, this is the data we'll be using. Step 1. To make a pivot table, you will first need to select the table or cells containing the data. Step 2. Next, you will go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. As you can see right here, go to the Insert tab and you see right here, Pivot Table. Step 3. After you click the Pivot Table command, you will see the Create Pivot Table dialog box. After you have chosen your settings, click Table 1 as the source data and place the pivot table on a new worksheet. Step 4. After you click OK, a pivot table field will appear on a new worksheet. Here's an example of the pivot table field right here. Step 5. After you create a pivot table, you will need to decide which fields to add. All the fields are column headers from the source data in the pivot table field list. Check the box for each field you want to add. As you see right here, region, account, order amount, and month. Those are the column headers. And then you could choose where you want to drag it. You could either click so it can go to area, or you could drag it from one place to the next. As you see, the selected fields will be added to one of the 4 areas below the field list. If you look on the right, you can see an example. The salesperson field has been added to the rows area, while the order amount has been added to the area. As you see, salesperson rows, and this has been in the value area. Step 7. The pivot table will calculate and summarize the selected fields. The pivot table we created will show the amount sold by each salesperson. As you see, it shows the salesperson and their order amount, and then the grand total. Step 8. You can sort the data in the pivot table using the Sort and Filter command in the Home tab. You can also apply any number formatting. For example, let's change the number format to currency. As you see, when you apply it, it goes to everything. Helpful tip: be careful when changing data in your source worksheet. The pivot table will not update automatically. You will have to manually update it. If you want to update the pivot table, select the pivot table and then go to Analyze, then Refresh. Thank you for watching. Here's the end of the video. Thank you for watching my instructional guide on how to make pivot tables.